Okay, so I'm super excited. I got these two planners and a couple of other things. I'm just throwing away my receipt. But my immediate reactions are just, look at how beautiful the packaging is. Like, this will come in handy if you travel with your planner. There's a little label back here for it as well, but it seems to come off quite easily. So I love the fact that there's like this sense of reusability behind it. I haven't opened any of this yet, but they also provide cute little like images that you can also reuse. I love it. So I got two planners. One is the vertical weekly and the other is the horizontal weekly. I got them both in gray, but I can kind of give you the layout, and I can't really give you an idea of how I'm going to use it, but that will be TBD. I also got two planner rulers, and they also provide really cute ideas. Draw circles to create check boxes or tie a ribbon, and then they have like this little area where you can create like little wavy lines and all of that, and it is 5mm, so I think lots of use for that. I'll probably also use it in the Hobonichi. I did get a freebie for being, I think, one of the top 25 or first 25 pre-orders, and I got some stickers, one which is holiday stickers, the other which is daily, or the two are daily stickers, which are so cute. I love the sticker paper type. It's kind of, it's like, it's not glossy. I don't even know how to explain it. It's kind of like a vinyl-esque type of sticker paper. It's really awesome. Anyways, jumping into the planners themselves. So first up is the vertical weekly. And I'm usually a vertical planner, mostly because I've been conditioned by like the Hobonichi layout. Just making sure I don't forget everything. I really like this sticker that could potentially be like the word of the year. Also comes with index stickers. And then it comes with this little overview of potentially like how you could use your planner. This gray, I would say, is a little bit more taupey, like a gray, like tan beige, which is so cute. I'm actually really excited because the general layouts make a lot of sense in my head. I'm just not quite sure like how I want to implement like planning in here or journaling, and the other thing I'm considering is like the horizontal versus vertical layout. But you have like your year at a glance. I don't know if this is noticeable, but there's like alternating orange and gray lines. And then you have your monthly view. You have like the month and kind of like the tab in orange as well. And then it jumps straight into the weekly view. So you have like your little timetable. You have like the side to, I forget what I was saying, but you get essentially like a whole column for like this week's focus, so things that you really have to do or just things that are happening in the pipeline. One thing to kind of point out is that if you are used to the Hobonichi Cousin, it's a Sunday start. I don't think it's going to bother me that much, but we will kind of see. I don't know if that will bother anyone else, but it goes by month, and then you have like your weekly spreads. And then if you jump towards the end of the year, you have this like habit tracker for each month where you have like your habits and then like your list of gratitude, which is really awesome. I think being able to kind of see it towards like the end, and you can kind of just see like how, but I like being able to kind of have a glance at the end of the year, just to see like how well you did and all of that fun stuff. And then you also have like these memorable moments at the end as well. It's really nice that it's in the back because like at the end of the year you can just see like a culmination of everything that happened. And then you also have, I think, about 8 pages of notes, and they are lightly gridded, which I love. You have one pocket in the back, one pocket in the front, and then you also have the elastic. And then you also have 2 bookmarks. I don't typically use bookmarks, so I might just leave it like in the front or the back, but that is there if that is something that interests you. And then while I open the horizontal layout, I believe Haroo Planner is based in the US, New York specifically, so like support local, all that fun stuff. I'm actually super excited because shipping took no time at all. You get the same kind of stuff in the horizontal, and then similarly how to plan or like use the weekly section. I also forgot that to show you like the front page, but you get December of 2023 all the way through the end of next year. Also, this little front cover for your name and information. The year at a glance is the same. And from there, you go from your monthly view into your weekly. So in the vertical, you had like a column specifically for this week's focus, but in the weekly or like the horizontal view, you have it in this grid with a little view of the calendar, which I love. And then you have like 2 sections, one which is just like a plain area to dump potentially like any tasks, like goals or anything like that, and then you have a little time-based area to list like your meetings, your appointments, or anything like that. But I think I'm leaning more closely towards the horizontal view, just because I like that hybrid approach. Okay, and as I was flipping through these pages, I noticed that at the end of the month you have 2 blank pages as well, which is really cool. If you wanted to list like highlights, lowlights, you can use this for scrapbooking, things like that. The vertical weekly also has these blank pages at the end of the month. And then kind of same layout for the tracker, and then same layout for your memories of the year, and then your like notes pages in the back. Same kind of pockets in the front and back. And yeah, I think I'm going to lean towards the horizontal weekly, just to see how that will turn out, but the vertical is also so cute. But that is pretty much the lowdown of the Haroo Planner, both in the horizontal weekly layout as well as the vertical weekly layout. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I will tag Haroo Planner as well again in case you want to see more like professional photos or how other people are using their planner. But I have to go walk my dog. Or doggies. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.